Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and to the new segment that I like to call the Test Kitchen. So today's video we're gonna be reviewing and cooking something from the channel Fitwaffle. The recipe is the cinnamon roll French toast rolls that she did. You've probably seen it, they look great. Let's watch it. On here. Oh my god.
It's how to make cinnamon roll French toast rolls. Mix
Okay.
together butter, light brown sugar, and cinnamon.
I didn't expect her voice to be like this.
Bread. Roll it out nice and flat, then spread over your cinnamon butter. Roll it out tightly so it looks something like this. Then whisk together eggs, milk, and vanilla.
I don't have milk.
Dip the rolls in the mix. You don't need to soak them. Then melt some butter in a pan and toast each side until golden.
I'm gonna air fry some of these.
Sugar and cinnamon, then coat the rolls in the mix. Pour the icing, mix together softened butter, cream cheese, and icing sugar until smooth. Then pipe it over the rolls or pop it in a dish to serve. And that's it. Enjoy.
And that's it. But here's the thing. What did she even just say? It was so fast. We're gonna do it right now. Let's make these. So, what she had in the beginning in that paste that goes on the flattened bread, she had 50 grams of brown sugar. She has 70 grams of unsalted room temperature butter, and she has a tablespoon of cinnamon. But basically, we're just gonna throw all this into a bowl together. Cinnamon. And then I need to get a fork because that's what she used. I'm gonna moosh all this up. My butter's a little colder than I wanted it to be. Yes. We're getting there, we're getting there. It smells good. All right, we're getting somewhere. The butter is starting to melt, get a little bit warmer as we go. It's starting to look like hers from the video. Right, now we have our butter, brown sugar, cinnamon mix to put on our bread. It looks just like what she did. Part one, done. Okay, for the bread. I don't cut the crusts off of bread, but we're doing it today because she said that this is what we're supposed to do. I also do own a rolling pin, but I don't know where it is, so we're gonna use an unopened Bud Light seltzer, because what else would I use? We're gonna flatten this bad boy out. What you have there is a flat piece of bread. That is magical. And what you can do with these crusts, because you know what, you don't need to throw it away. Okay, you could do like the woman behind the camera, so you can make some bread pudding with these, or you can do like my grandmother and feed it to the birds. Hey, give it to the birds. That's what she always says. This is real easy so far anyway. Sick. All right, that part's done. And look at all this. This could be bird food and or, I don't know, bread pudding or croutons or anything like that. She made it look way easier, even though we're just buttering flat bread. Cool. You know what? This is starting to come out looking just like the way that she did it. That's all I gotta say. You know what? Before we do the rest of them, let me try rolling this up and seeing how good it looks. Okay. Oh yeah. I would say, you know what? Yeah, sure. That looks like what she made right there, to me. You know what? This would be a lot of fun if you got little kids, like 4 and 5-year-olds. This is a fun thing to do with them. Especially like a 4-year-old named Ryan who loves cinnamon buns. This would be real fun for his mom and dad to do with him. That's all I'm saying. All right, now for the egg mixture, I believe I saw her do 2 eggs. And then she did milk, but I don't have any milk, but luckily she has almond milk. Use a little bit of, it's probably like a quarter of a cup, I don't know. Yeah, quarter cup of milk, and then a little bit of vanilla extract. And then like when it comes, this is the French toast portion, so you can add a little vanilla. I'm gonna throw a little bit of cinnamon in here. I'm deviating from the recipe. But we're gonna throw a little more cinnamon in the egg mixture too, just to add a little more flavor onto it. And then obviously whisk these bad boys up. Great. Now what we gotta do is we have to cook them. But before we do that, I need another bowl out of all these bowls I have. Now she didn't do a measurement thing, but I know some people would wanna know a measurement, and I don't think I'm gonna do one either. She just made the cinnamon sugar for the end. So to me, if I'm gonna think about it, all right, that looks like probably a quarter of a cup of regular white sugar, and then we're gonna take this regular old cinnamon right here and just probably a tablespoon. Let's say a quarter of a cup of sugar to a tablespoon of cinnamon. That seems about right to me. See what that looks like. That seems right to me. That's some good cinnamon sugar. Now what I noticed is when she's done cooking them, as they're still hot and kind of wet from the egg and the butter and everything, you dip it in the sugar so it sticks to the thing. So that's make sure you do that before you cook them so that it's ready for when they're hot still. You can throw them in sugar. Context. All right, so we're over here at the oven. We got the griddle hot and ready right now. I can feel it, it's warm. We got a little stick of butter, and we're gonna get this ready to go. I don't know how much she put on it. It really doesn't matter. Just grease her on up. Then we're gonna start dipping these in our egg wash mixture. Real simple, just throw them in. I let them sit in there a little bit longer, just because you want that already pressed bread to kind of like soak up some of the egg. I'm gonna do 4 on this, and I'm gonna do 4 in the air fryer, just to see what happens. This is called the test kitchen for a reason. We're testing things out, seeing if it comes out good in the air fryer. I don't know. And at this point, it's just your normal French toast move, right? Just wait till each side gets golden brown. I know that they're cylindrical, so there's no real sides, but just do what I'm telling you. For the last 4, we're gonna put them in the beautiful air fryer by Drew Barrymore that we've done reviews on. Go watch those. I'm already seeing like, this could be weird because it's drippy. Whatever, I can clean it. It's no big deal. So we got 4 of these bad boys in the air fryer. She's going in. Cool, start that. We're gonna do air fry. My time, I wanna do like maybe 10 minutes. I don't think any more than 10 minutes might be insane. So, boom. 10 minutes, air fry. And then we got these ones over here that we should probably check on. All right, smells like some good cooked butter out here. But we got it on a medium heat, and like that. When they reach that, that's what I'm thinking. That's when you start flipping them. There we go. These are looking good. These are looking right. All right, you might not be able to hear me because the vent fan is on, because this is wild. But they cook real fast. Like, that's already done. So we're good to go. Let's get these into some cinnamon sugar. Okay, these ones are done, the pan fried ones, the griddle fried ones, and they look really good, and it didn't take any time at all. But the air fryer ones still got about 5 minutes left. As you can see, we're gonna run these through a little cinnamon sugar. Come in and just roll them around and try and get a little bit of that cinnamon sugar on top of them. Oh, that looks good. We'll throw them down here. Like I said, you wanna do this fast right when you get it off the griddle, because you don't want it to dry up, because then none of this cinnamon sugar is going to stick to it. There we go, so there's the first 4. And so far, I'm gonna be honest, they look like the ones that she did from Fitwaffle. All right, the air fried ones are done, so let's see what they look like. And whoa, okay, so I didn't expect them to do that. They are way more puffy than the other ones. Oh, they're still soft though. That's pretty good. Throw that in the cinnamon. Okay. All right, look at that. Still good, just different. Like, look at this one. This one split open. And we cannot forget the cream cheese icing that goes on all cinnamon rolls and all things. So I didn't really see what she did in the video. I'm pretty sure there was a measurement there or something, but like I said, it's just too fast, man. I just don't know. So I'm going off of just a regular cream cheese icing recipe where it calls for, this is an 8-ounce thing of cream cheese. We're gonna use 4 ounces of it. Literally just use half. 4 ounces of unsalted butter. Cool. Oh no, there's still a piece of paper on there. Then we're gonna throw a little bit of vanilla extract in there as well. And I do not have any powdered sugar, so we're gonna use half a cup of granulated sugar. I don't know the conversion of regular sugar to powdered sugar, but it called for a whole cup of powdered sugar, so I'm going half cup regular sugar. That might be too much, I don't know. I'm about to find out. The good thing about it is everything's half, so if you mess this up, you got another half to redo it. Also, if you don't have a KitchenAid mixer, God, just get one, because they're the best. Also, the recipe calls for milk too, so if it doesn't, we're gonna see, but if it's too dry, we'll just start slowly adding milk in. This is the good part about using half of everything, because then you can reuse it or redo it, which I need to, because if you look at this, it would be fine, but because I put liquid in it, it's so lumpy that it's not good. I didn't cream the cream cheese and butter and sugar together enough. So we're gonna redo it. So now we creamed the cream cheese and the butter together. If you wanna take a look, it's a little smoother. Now I'm gonna add in the vanilla extract. We're gonna do this all by the book. Put the rest of it in there. Let's see. Mix that up together. Take a look. You see how much more smooth it is? There's a little bit of lumps in there, whatever. I'm not really super crazy about it, but It's fine. If we kept this going, it'd be all right. Let's try it. That's cream cheese icing if I've ever had it. Just remember, take your time. You gotta do it right. You obviously just watched me mess up cream cheese icing. Just saying. Foolish. All right, we have our cream cheese icing. I'm gonna spoon it into this here bag. Because we gotta make it look the way that she made it look, okay? That's probably good enough. Get all the air out of here. So we got our little piping bag full of the cream cheese icing. And we're gonna go take a bowl that I stole from a restaurant and put the rest of this in there. Our cinnamon rolls, does it look as good as hers? No, but she is a professional and we are just random people doing random things. Now I'm gonna cut a little tip off of this and basically we're gonna toaster strudel this bad boy. Oh yeah, that works. Here we go. You know what, we're just gonna ice it like we don't care. All right, and there it is. We made the cinnamon, what are they called? The French toast cinnamon bun roll-up things that Fitwaffle made, and they don't look as good as what she made, but she is a professional. But they look good, they smell good, so now we gotta try them out. And this is the first one. This is gonna be the fresh toast one that we did on the pan, right? And she dips it in a little more icing. Yeah. So what you're telling me is they're fantastic. They're actually really, they're like stupidly good. Camera lady, you must try it. Camera lady, try this. Here, try it. It's actually weirdly good. Now we must try these ones. This is one of the air fried ones that we made, okay? Dip that one in there. Okay. Hear me out. You know how when you're at a Cinnabon, right? And you get a big ass Cinnabon. The fried ones that you do in the butter on the pan taste like the center of the cinnamon bun, right? The best part, in my opinion. These taste like the outer crunchy part. Still good, not as good as the center, but if your favorite part is the exterior of a cinnamon bun, air fry them because that's exactly what it tastes like, and the cream cheese icing is delicious. I mean, if you think about it, it makes sense. Bread is just, it's dough and whatnot. So if you were to do this, it fully makes sense. Here, camera lady, try this. Try this one. Tell me I'm wrong. It tastes like the outside of yeah. And it's still good, but the inside one, in my opinion, these bad boys are the best ones.
Those are sweeter.
This is the inside of a cinnamon. It's like little mini inside pieces of cinnamon bun. Look at that. Look at that. It's just soft and delicious, and it's just good. But there it is. We made it. I'm gonna be honest, Miss Fitwaffle, you came up with a great thing. It's really good. If you want to see the original video or links to her channel and all that stuff, it's gonna be in my description. Go check it out. She's got a ton of sweets and delicious recipes. Check her out. This one, what a great recipe. Good on you, Fitwaffle lady. But anyway, that's been the video. That's been the first episode of Test Kitchen. We got more coming up. I'm gonna take all the videos. If you have any videos you wanna see me make and test out, put them down in the comments. Let me know. Let me know what you guys think about this. If you make it, it's really easy. Super simple. Tastes fantastic. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video.